Are you ready to ensure your field upgrades meet all necessary standards? The Joint Upgrade Program Field Audit is here to help. Discover how eAuditor can streamline your audit process. To begin, open eAuditor on your device. Next, create a template by selecting Create Template and choosing Blank Template. Add essential fields like project name, site location, date, and auditor name. This setup ensures all critical information is captured. Now, you're ready to proceed with the audit. The audit consists of several key sections. Site verification ensures site access and permit validity. Installation check verifies proper equipment setup and component specifications. Safety compliance confirms PPE use and secure work areas. Quality assurance checks project requirement adherence and documentation accuracy. Safety and quality are paramount in field audits. Proper PPE usage and secure work areas are essential for safety compliance. Quality assurance ensures work meets project standards and accurate documentation. Testing completion is crucial for verifying installation quality. Both safety and quality checks are integral to successful audits. Documenting evidence is a vital part of the audit. Use eAuditor to add photos of site conditions and work quality. Write notes on any issues or risks observed during the visit. Collect signatures to validate the audit officially. Finally, export the completed inspection as a PDF for records. Post-audit actions focus on corrective measures and improvements. Implement and track actions until closure to ensure continuous improvement. Proper preparation involves organizing documents and ensuring compliance. Conduct internal checks and address known issues proactively. This approach supports a culture of quality and readiness. The Joint Upgrade Program Field Audit enhances safety, compliance, and performance. It identifies gaps and reduces risks effectively. Use eAuditor to ensure quality and continuous improvement in your projects.